Today we are going to discuss questions about subject-verb agreement. So that I will also be able to know that you know the answers or not. Have you studied the rules of subject-verb agreement or not? Right? So let us start with the first question. The dog, bracket, you have two options, growl or growls when it is angry. Which rule is applied here? That the subject here is what? Singular. That the verb in the sentence will also be singular. And singular verb will always have what? S behind the word, right? So the dog growls when it is angry, right? Second is the dogs growl or growls when they are angry. What will be the answer here? Again, it is very simple. Plural verb, plural subject, plural verb, right? So the dogs growl when they are angry, right? So the first question's answer is growls and second question's answer is growl, right? The first answer will be what? Growls, because the subject is singular. So singular verb. In the second question, the subject is what? Plural. So the verb will also be what? Plural. Right? So growl. Fine. Growl will be the answer in the second one. Third question. The dog who is chewing on my jeans, bracket, R is usually very good. So here you can see the dog who is chewing on my jeans, R is usually very good. So who is the subject here? Dog. What is the form of subject? It is singular. So the verb will be what? Singular. The dog who is chewing on my jeans is usually very good. Don't get confused with jeans, right? Fourth question. The colors of rainbow are beautiful. That will be the answer, right? The reason is the colors. They have utilized plural form. The colors of rainbow are beautiful. That's why are. Next question. Their bracket is are a problem with balance sheet. What will be the answer here? Their bracket is are a problem with balance sheet. So here what will be the answer? There is a problem with a balance sheet, because the subject here, which is balance sheet, is not balance sheets. It is balance sheet. So it is a singular form and it starts with there. Therefore, the verb will be before the subject. Rule. Remember the rule. Whenever the sentence starts with there or here, what happens? The verb is always before the subject. So balance sheet. So balance sheet is what? Singular. That's why the answer will be here also is. Fine. So is will be the answer here. Next question. Their bracket is our problem with balance sheet. We know the answer is. Then the second question here it is. Here bracket is are the papers you asked. So the papers is the subject. What it is in form? Plural form. So the answer will be here are the papers you asked, because the subject is in plural form. Next is. Okay, in this question, does Lefty bracket eat comma eats grass? Where bracket is are pieces of puzzle. So here in the first part, as the subject is singular, here you can see grass, right? So that's why what will happen, and does is utilized, then what will happen? The verb will also be singular, so we'll utilize it. Here what is happening, where bracket is are pieces of puzzle. So the form is always here is in plural. So the verb will also be plural, pieces of puzzles, right? That is a plural form. So that's why here what will happen, the verb will also be plural. Where are pieces of puzzles? Okay, the question is the cow and pig bracket is are jumping over the moon. So remember the rule of puppy and lady one. What was happening? There were two different things which were joined by end. So what is happening? The verb will be plural. So the cow and pig are jumping over the moon. right? Because two different things are joined with N. Next question. Red beans and rice bracket is are my mom's favorite dish, right? So what is happening? Red beans and rice are taken together. There, it is only one thing they are talking about, right? So red beans and rice is my mom's favorite dish. Here what will come? Is will come, because as the example of spaghetti and meatball, it was one dish only, the right in the sentence which was talking about, right? Here also it is one thing only, right? That's why we use singular verb. Here what is happening? These are two different things. Two, cow and pig both are jumping over the moon. That's why we have taken are, and here it is same. So that's why it is one thing. That's why we are taking a singular verb is. Red beans and rice is my mom's favorite dish. Now next question. No smoking and drinking bracket is are allowed. Every man and woman bracket is are required to check in. Okay, so here which rule is applied? Whenever we have no it right before the subject, then the verb will be singular. Every before the subject, then the verb will be singular. For example, no smoking is there, right? So the verb will be here singular, which is no smoking, and drinking is allowed. Every man and woman is required to check in. Every is utilized, that's why. Now next question. Jessica or Shweta bracket is are to blame for the accident. Okay. So Jessica or Shweta bracket is are to blame for the accident. So what will come here? As they are talking about either Jessica or Shweta is to blame for the accident. So you know when there is or, either, nor is utilized in the statement, you utilize a singular verb. Jessica or Shweta is to blame for the accident. Next question is, all the chicken bracket is are gone, right? So here remember the rule of object of prepositional phrase, right? Here the subject is all and the object here is all the chicken bracket is are gone. So what will be the answer here in the first sentence? All the chicken is gone, and in the second one, all the chickens are gone. Object of the prepositional phrase. Remember that rule in this statement. Here. Next question is, 4 quarts oil was required to get car running. So remember the rule of measurement. So whenever any measurement is there, the verb is always singular. 4 quarts oil was required to get car running, right? Next one is happening. Either the dogs or the cats both available at the pond. What we need to utilize in verb is or are. So what is happening? Both the subjects are in plural form and we have utilized either. So that's why the verb here will also be plural. Remember the rule, right? Whenever the subjects utilized are both in plural form and you are utilizing either, right? Then the verb will also be plural. So are. Either the dogs or the cats are both available at the pond. Next is, do your sister or your girlfriend want or wants any pizza? So do your sister or your girlfriend wants any pizza? Singular verb. Remember singular verb here. Wants any pizza, because both the subjects are singular and you have utilized or. Everybody want or wants to be loved, right? So here also you will be utilizing wants because we have utilized everybody indefinite pronoun. Now the next question, few were left alive after the flood. So this is also a pronoun which is utilized, but indefinite pronoun, There are some exceptions in it, that few will utilize plural verb. We have seen that rule. Few, then many, several, both, right? These pronouns will utilize plural verb. Few were left alive after the flood, right? Now, next question is, to walk and to chew gum requires great skill. So what is happening here? That in both of them are infinite words which are utilized, to walk and to run, and to chew, right? To walk and to chew. Infinite things are utilized here. So it will require a plural verb. So what is happening here? To walk and to chew gum require great skill. So as we have to utilize plural verb, we have to utilize word require, right? Next is standing in the water bracket was were a bad idea. Here gerund it is utilized and it is utilized alone. Standing is the gerund, right? So standing in the water was were a bad idea, right? Okay, so whenever gerund is alone, right, utilize singular verb. Like standing in the water was a bad idea. So we have utilized here a singular verb because gerund is alone. Remember the rule. Next is swimming in the ocean and playing drums. Bracket is are my hobbies. So here the ing form is known as gerund. Playing, that is also ing form. Both the gerunds are linked with what? End. So whenever both the gerunds are linked with a conjunction end, right, utilize plural verb. When they are not alone, they are connected or linked with each other. Whenever gerunds are linked with each other, use plural form of verb are. So swimming in the ocean and playing drums are my hobbies, right? Next rule, if you remember, you can remember this by example. The herd bracket is our stampeding. So what will happen here? That here we are utilizing collective noun. So whenever you utilize collective noun, what you use? Singular verb. So the herd is stampeding. Next rule is the Burbs bracket is are a movie starring Tom Hanks. So title of novels, movies, what will you utilize? Singular verb. So the Burbs is a movie starring Tom Hanks, right? So these were some questions which we have discussed according to the rule, and we have applied the rule. Please revise it again and again for better understanding. These kind of questions may ask in your exam.